Hello everyone, this is Vikas Raju. So I'm from hiring team, recruitment team, specifically from Intel. So I'm working as a talent acquisition associate to Intel. Yeah, to be honest, so this complete interactions is completely transforming way. So like usually we used to think like during our academics and all we would have learned about many other kind of leadership things. So as in the session also we saw like some of the other places. So one of the values or any of the specific constraints should be compromising one on the other. Like transformation will be something, leadership and situational relationships is something. But when it comes to the servant leadership, what the session is going on, this is completely unique and far different from other, and which can be applied in all the leadership types. And it was very good to know about this, and it's a new approach what we can do. And yeah, it's being a very wonderful journey for me. Yeah, so here like I came to know like as we went through the session, so rather what was the complete difference between giving orders and giving responsibility, how it changes. So as we are at the end, so I'm already aware of all these things. Yes, so from here on I focus more on giving responsibilities, giving orders to peers and team members. I am definitely sure it will give a good impact, and also I refer my peer fellows also to attend this session, so they'll also have a same level of knowledge what I'm having right now. Yeah, after attending the workshop, so what I thought is like it is not only okay to know ourselves by us, it is also good to know ourselves by others.
Wonderful.
So this is the first thing I understood. And one more thing, like yeah, so sometimes what we do is like we would be helping a peer or our team member, but we will not say it to them. Like we should convey them. So until and unless we open up ourselves, so they'll not know what we are doing. So sometimes you would have helped them indirectly, but we wouldn't have informed them, so they didn't have know about that, and they'll think, oh, what they're doing, whether they're helping. So these kind of confusions will be there more. So the thing here I understood is the more we communicate, it will be more transparent and everything goes smoothly.